Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to start off with a math warm-up, and the problem is Sarah had 6 cherries. She ate 4. How many does she have left? So let's start with the math drawing, okay? So let's draw. How many cherries did we say she had? She had 6. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cherries. Now the problem said she ate 4 cherries. So how can we show with this drawing that she ate 4 cherries? That's right, we can mark them through. So let's show that with a different color. Here we go. Okay, are you ready? So she ate 4, so let's mark out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So she had 6 cherries, she ate 4. How many are left over? Okay, I think you know the answer, so you can see the answer right there. Let's go ahead and write the number sentence that goes with that. Are you ready? So it is 6. She started off with 6. And she ate 4. And so that leaves 1, 2. Is our story problem, is it correct? What do you think? I'll think about it for a second. I think you see the problem. I do too, because it looks like we used the wrong symbol. So 6 plus 4 means that we would be adding on, we'd be adding more to it. We'd be joining 2 sets. Well, this problem is a takeaway. We're separating a larger set into 2 smaller sets. So we need to take out the addition symbol and replace it with a subtraction. Good job. Good job. Okay, so today we're going to be working some more with team numbers. So I want to get this side of the board all set up for you. Here we go. So let's do a little bit more practice. And let's think about the number 12. 12 is 10 and how many more? 19 is 10 and how many more? 11 is 10 and how many more? And 13 is 10 and how many more? So let's take a look at our at what we have here, and we can use the 10 frame. Can you see the 10 frame here on the, there we go. We can use the 10 frame to work out this problem. Are you ready? Okay, so today I found some foam pieces from a art craft that we did a while back. So here we go. Let's go ahead and add, let's do our 10. Let's do our 10, okay? All right. So here we go. We're going to fill it in. So 10, 1, 2, I'm going to trade that one out. Can't see it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. So 10. So our first one is 12. So we have 10, and our choices are 9, 2, 1, and 3. So let's take a look. 12. So let's count on from 10. Ready? 10. 11, 12. So 12 is 10, and how many more? 2 more. So our answer is 10. 12 is 10 and 2. All right, let's go on to 19. Are you ready? Let's count that one on. So here we go. We're going to start with 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So we have the full 10 frame at the top. So 10, And how many more? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 19 is 10 and 9 more. Good job. And so now let's go on to 11. Are you ready? 11 is 10. Let's count on 10, 11. So our choices up here left are 1 and 3. So 10 and how many more? 1 more. That's right. So 11 is 10 and 1. Good job. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at 13. Are you ready? 13 is 10 and how many more? Now, our last number, of course, is 3. So let's put that down there and let's see if it's correct. That's how we can do that this time. So are you ready? So we say 10, 11, 12, 13. So 10 and 1, 2, 3 more. That's right. So 13 is 10 and 3 more. So let's review. Are you ready? 12 is 10 and 2. 19 is 10 and 9. 11 is 10 and 1. 13 is 10 and 3. All right, good job. So now if you will go, let's take a look at the book. Let's take a look at our page for today, okay? Let's set this back here and get out our paper. And here is our paper here today. I'm gonna move the camera down a little bit so that you can see it better. There we go. All right, so today, what we just did on this page is what we did here on the board. We had our 10 frame, and we had our counters, and we did that. Now down at the bottom it says, say a number between 16 and 19, write the number above the 10 frames, and use the dots to show the number. Okay, so now you can choose whatever number you want to. I'm going to use the number 18 because that's in my birthday. I was born on the 18th. So I'm going to use the number 18. So let's build the number 18. And I've got my dots here. Whoop, there we go. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let me ask you this question before I count on. Do I need to count that? What number is a full 10 frame? That's right, it's the number 10, so we know that. So let's go ahead and fill that 10 frame up. And we know that this is the number 10. So I'm going to put 10 here. Now 18, let's go ahead and count that up. Let's go. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I've counted to 18. Let's count how many are in the second 10 frame. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 18 is 10 and 8 more. Good work. All right, so now I'm going to remove these and we're going to go to the guided practice. Are you ready? Let's turn the page over and let's go to guided practice. For number 1, we're going to count the flowers. Oh, this is a great picture for spring, isn't it? Okay, so our number is 16, so they want us to trace our 16. So let's trace 16. Pull straight down, line and a hoop. Do the tricks. That's the way to make a 6. How many are in the first 10 in the first frame? There are 10 in the first frame, so we're going to make our 10. And then count the second 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They said 6. So 16 is 10 and 6 more. And now we're going to go ahead and go to the next one. Look at the raindrops. That's perfect for today because it's supposed to rain. How many rain? So the number they're saying is the number what? 17. Pull straight down and then we're done. That's the way to make the 1. across the sky and down from heaven. That's the way to make the 7. There's the raindrops come from. So how many are in the first 10 frame? The first frame, 10, of course, it's full. We have a full 10 frame. And now let's count. Now, we know what's the first part of the 10 frame? How many are in there? 5. So we can count on from that. We can say 5, 6, 7, and 17 is 10, and 7 more. Okay? Great job. All right, so now let's take a look at the last one. The one to practice with is 18. So let's make our 18. Make an S and pull around straight. Well, it's not really straight, it's curvy, but that's the way to make an 8. The rhyme works. Look at the umbrellas we have for today. In the first frame, we have how many? We have 10. And of course, how many are in the top part of a 10 frame? 5, so we can count on from there. So we say 5, 6, 7, 8. And 18 is 10 and 8 more. So let's turn this over, and here's your independent practice. I'm not going to do that with you. That's what you're going to do and turn in to me. So we have bunnies, chicks, and butterflies. That's pretty. And then the last page is a brain builder, and that gives you the chance to make to write the number. You're going to draw things that you need into the 10 frames, and then tell me what that number is comprised of. And the same thing for number 19. You're going to do the same thing, draw or color. Be neat about it. Now remember, you're practicing for first grade, so they like things neat. So do we. Kindergarten teachers love neat, pretty pictures. So finish this page on your own, and I will see you later. I have another game for you today. Bye-bye.